In this video, we'll guide you through on how to delete your Pinterest account. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So basically, what you gotta do is, you need to open your Pinterest account. Nah, nah, nah. Shut the fuck up, buddy. Whew, yeah. We'll guide you through on how to delete your Pinterest account. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So the first step would be opening the Pinterest app. As you can see, I have opened it. After that, click on saved in the bottom, the last option that says saved. After clicking on it, you need to click on your profile icon on the top right. And नहीं यार, बकवास मत कर यार, please. We'll guide you through on how to delete your Pinterest account. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. As you can see, I've opened my Pinterest app and we're on the main home page of Pinterest. Over here, you need to click on the saved icon in the bottom right. After clicking on it, click on your profile icon on the top left, which will open this menu, and click on the settings icon on the top right. After that, the settings menu will open, and you need to click on the account management button, which is the second one, as you can see. After that, you need to scroll down and you'll see the last option that says delete your data and account. So let's just click on that. And you can read all of this and then click continue. After that, they'll ask you for a reason. Let's just say other. I don't really have a reason. Now it says an email has been sent with the final steps to delete your account. So basically, they've sent you an email in the Gmail. So open your Gmail app and you'll see an email from Pinterest. Just click on it and let me show you. As you can see, that's the email that I got from Pinterest. It says they're making sure that I have the right email and I'm not someone else. So yeah, just click on confirm your email. After clicking on confirm your email, you'll get another email from them, which says this: we are sorry to see you go and blah blah blah. You can read this. As you can see, it doesn't instantly delete your account. They give you a period of time, which is 14 days as mentioned. And if you change your mind in these 14 days, you can recover it and save it from deleting. But if you do not recover it in this 14-day period of time, it'll get permanently deleted. So if you're sure, just click on this yes, delete your account. And that's pretty much it. That's how you delete your Pinterest account.